Hi, my name is Maria and I'm an illustrator and graphic designer. I've had my own company for 10 years. I started it when I moved from Denmark to Paris back in 2013. Lived in Paris for 5 years and moved back to Denmark when I was dealing with some stress. And now I live on this beautiful little island in Denmark called Samsø. And this is where I host drawing retreats and also teach kids how to draw. And I figured out during my stress period why I draw, which is because it's very soothing. There are no thoughts in my head, and it gives me a lot of satisfaction trying to completely copy something from a reference photo. So I draw very realistically. I draw mostly portraits, botanical illustrations, some clothing, textures. So basically it's a way for me to just improve on a skill, and I find it very soothing. So this is kind of also what I wanted to teach others by doing these drawing retreats here on the island. So people come for different reasons, and they all leave having this feeling of just being completely in zen, like so calm. And this is why I want to do this little drawing club on Instagram, because I want to reach more people. So you can see the benefits of drawing and also just improve on a skill. It's also just a very good confidence booster. So I started this little drawing club. It's subscription based, so you can sign up monthly or annually. Annually, you also get a private mini session with me. You can show me your drawings and I can help you improve them, or whatever you might like for me to teach you. Otherwise, you'll get a monthly newsletter and some assignments, and it's completely up to you how much you want to finish, or if you just want to follow along on Instagram, watch me do live drawings, have me talk about drawing. We'll do some Q&As where you can ask me anything drawing related and I'll try my best to answer. We'll talk about what else you kind of want to learn. I'm always open to suggestions. Otherwise, we'll start from the beginning. I'll teach you about the drawing tools that I use, how to use them, and what I use them for. So it's very basic, and then we move on. I teach mostly in portraits and botanical drawing, but all the techniques and tools that I use, you can just apply to any other subject that you prefer. If you want to draw dogs or buildings, you just apply the techniques. So we'll have this little private community on Instagram, and it's gonna be lots of fun, and I hope you want to join. So I will see you on Instagram.